Hello, my name is Natalie Nanasi, and I'm the director of the Domestic Violence Clinic. Students in the clinic represent indigent survivors of intimate partner violence in both DC Superior Court, our local trial court, and before various immigration courts and departments. The representation includes working with survivors of domestic violence to obtain civil protection orders, sometimes colloquially known as restraining orders, or on immigration petitions or other related legal remedies that our clients may require. The range of representation in the domestic violence clinic gives students the opportunity to understand and really analyze domestic violence as a multifaceted societal problem. The cases of the domestic violence clinic involve a variety of legal activities, from conducting initial interviews with survivors at the courthouse, to investigating facts, talking to witnesses, counseling clients on both legal and non-legal options, negotiating with opposing counsel and other parties, drafting significant work product, including court pleadings and immigration petitions, and of course, preparing for and appearing in court. As survivors of intimate partner violence, our clients also have an array of safety and financial needs, so our students frequently interact and work with community partners and state agencies to ensure that clients' holistic needs are being met. One of the central philosophies of the Domestic Violence Clinic is that students have control over their cases. So what that practically means is that I don't sit in on meetings that the students have with their clients. They're the ones that are building relationships with clients and counseling them. I don't participate in any of the phone calls, in any of the negotiations that the students are doing. They're the ones speaking in court. Their names go on all the pleadings. In all aspect of the case, they are the attorneys. So in that spirit, I'll turn it over to two current students of the Domestic Violence Clinic who can describe their work in a bit more detail.
Hi, my name is Ashley, and I'm one of the current students in the Domestic Violence Clinic. This past semester, we worked on a case that involved a civil protection order. We met our client at the Domestic Violence Intake Center, which is located at the DC Superior Court, where we represented her for a temporary protection order on that day. We returned in 2 weeks for her civil protection order hearing. We also appeared in court on multiple occasions for that case, and we eventually successfully negotiated a civil protection order on behalf of that client. Representing our client in this civil protection order matter has been one of the most useful experiences that we've had since we've been in law school, because it gave us practical experience and taught us how to interact with our client in a real-world setting versus learning theory in a classroom setting.
My name's George, and I was Ashley's partner this year. Our other case focused on trying to get asylum granted for a survivor of domestic violence. It presented a nice contrast between our civil protection order case because it allowed us to work on a long-term project and also further our skills at research. We were also able to build a significant relationship with our client and help her with a myriad of issues that cropped up over time. We interviewed her multiple times, we went to the asylum office, we used interpretive services, and we even translated documents. If you're looking for a chance to gain real litigation experience and work closely with clients on a variety of legal issues, then Domestic Violence Clinic is for you.
So thank you, George. Thank you, Ashley. As you can hopefully see, the Domestic Violence Clinic allows students to really dive into the complexities and nuances of legal advocacy, and also to develop both lawyering skills and the values of client-centeredness and social justice. After a year in the clinic, we hope that students will go on to be zealous, compassionate, and ultimately effective attorneys as they pursue their legal careers.